Oh boy. You're not too hyper. You gonna go out to the other couch? That's what I thought. Yeah, the girl. Shake it off. Back to the other furniture. Atta girl. Oh! Slipped? Come here, Sadie. Sadie. Go get him. Go get him. No, don't rub on that. No, it's not covered. Sadie. Come on. Snug. Oh! You scared yourself, didn't you? Oh boy. Okay. Oh boy. Who is it? Oh, man, you got this all messed up, Snug. Go on, go get him. Go get him. Get on the couch. Come on. Who's out there? Hair in my mouth. Come here, Sadie. You done? Okay.